Hello guys, this is Crypto Voice here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will discuss about the upcoming cryptocurrency events in the next week. Before discussing that, let us look at the coin market cap. The overall market cap is around 508 billion US dollars. The BTC dominance is increasing. It's around 39.2% right now. Yesterday the BTC price was around 11,200 US dollars and it's going up. It's nearing 12,000 US dollars right now. Those of you guys who have seen my last video know that yesterday I predicted the Bitcoin price, and I predicted the same thing, that BTC price will increase and altcoin prices will decrease. As you can see that altcoins are more in red today, so we can see a similar trend in upcoming 3 weeks from now. Pardon me, sorry guys, I'm not feeling well. Let us now discuss about the upcoming events. Okay, so now what we have over here. So this is a presentation that I made for you guys, and the purpose of this presentation is to tell you guys what are the upcoming events in the coming week, so you guys can buy some altcoins and sell those during the event or just nearing the event. This is known as buy the rumor and sell the news strategy of getting short-term gains in cryptocurrency. So let us start our video. On 21st of February 2018, the Telcoin ADB Institute workshop will be held, and governments from Bangladesh, India, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Nepal, Philippines, Sri Lanka and Thailand will be attending that conference. And another event on 21st is Voice new website launch. Then on 22nd of February we have IOTA Bosch IoT conference. IOTA co-founder Dominic Shiner will speak on this conference on behalf of IOTA. Then on 23rd February we have Hempcoin THC hard fork. On 24th we have 4 PHR rebranding. On 25th we have Tron essay contest. The top one price is 1000 USD worth of Amazon gift card, and the quantity is 1. The second price is 600 USD worth of Amazon gift card, the quantity is 1. The third prize is the 400 US dollar worth of Amazon gift card, and the quantity is 1. Then the fourth prize 100 USD worth of Amazon gift card, and the quantity is 12. Then we have Ethereum Asia Pacific Development Meetup. This will be a developer conference, and it will be important for Ethereum. So 26th February 2018 is an important date. So we have many events on this date. The first is Litecoin LitePay official public launch. This is very important event. So expect Litecoin price to increase till 26th of February 2018. Then we have VeChain rebranding. This is also very important event. So VeChain, if you guys want to invest in VeChain, then go ahead and purchase it till 26th of February. It will keep on going up regardless of BTC dominance. Then we have ADX beta release. This is also important event. Electronium, then we have Electronium who will exhibit on GSM Arena Mobile World Congress 2018. Then we have Tron TRX SA winner announcement also on 26th of February 2018. Then we have Dent launching Android mobile app. And then we have AppCoins. I think AppCoin event is also important. They are launching their App Store Foundation website, and they will tell their future details on this website. So people, this is it for today. If you like today's video, then please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.